Belleville Park is a dream. It's a lifestyle. It's a destination for a privileged few.
This whole concept of Belleville Park is unique in the world.
Forget about your car. Have lunch with your children. Never miss a special moment in your life because you got stuck in traffic.
Enjoy the benefit of urban life. Enjoy the benefit of resort living in the heart of city. Delhi being the national capital, anybody who is coming into India for investment will definitely like to have their base in Delhi.
The next 5 years are the most exciting for our country. We have massive projects being rolled out.
With the new government coming with the full majority, I foresee a tremendous investment opportunity.
We are finding that the capital and stock markets are appreciating and they are on a high right now.
Wave is unique because it comes from a diversified group. The group has been in liquor business, manufacturing, paper, steel, sugar, services, education, malls and multiplexes for the last 15 years.
Wave Infotech is a class apart. Wave has been around for 50 years now. It's always been a pursuit of excellence, a search for the best in class. We do not like to think of ourselves as brick and mortar company. We like to think of ourselves as great lifestyle providers. Wave Infotech delivers projects where you do not have to worry about traffic, you don't have to worry about parking, you don't have to worry about safety of your children. We are taking care of it to help you live a better life. In Wave City Center, the multi-use development in Noida, we always wanted our consumers to get the best. The best building, the best master plan, the shopping, the entertainment, the restaurants. Not just the best living standards in India, but a new living standard in the world. It's never happened before. It's happening for the first time in one city. With over 10 million square feet under construction, Wave City Center is moving ahead at incredible speeds. It is being constructed by the biggest companies in India. It has been designed by the biggest companies in the world, all to ensure that the vision to reality, there are no gaps.
The ultimate luxury product that the Wave Group has to offer is Belleville Park.
It will be a high-end luxury residential development in the heart of Noida.
It has a very well integrated, lush and diverse landscape to create a garden living space.
All the villas are devoid of any automobile movement. If you are coming to your home, you are entering to the lower ground floor level, having your own private parking and entering into your own villa. And when you come on a ground floor, you are moving within the community in your own golf cart.
You're in the heart of town, yet you're in the countryside. You have an underground tunnel connecting Belleville Park to the Wave City Center, which houses the best hotels, the best restaurants, the best shopping experiences. I can be away at work, I know my family is safe. I am in a world-class environment.
Wave City Center is already connected by metro, and this whole development is designed exactly for walk to work kind of a concept.
In the design of Belleville Park, we tried to strike a balance between subtle references to the traditional architecture of Delhi, but also to European classical architecture, but then bringing a very modern, very contemporary feel. Tall ceilings, high quality materials.
These residences are magnificent. They start with 6,000 square feet, goes up to 10,000 square feet built up area, just next to the magnificent 35,000 square feet club.
There will be guest rooms like in a hotel setting, there will be restaurants, there will be conference facilities, there's a large swimming pool and gym area, so the perfect place to play and live and work.
See, the reason why I chose Belleville Park was that particularly because of its location. It is in the heart of the city. I don't have to step out of the vicinity. Everything is there at a doorstep. And the best part was that I would be spending time with like-minded people there.
This is kind of a dream location for me and my family. Firstly, because of security. Since there would be no vehicles on the road, so we can freely roam around and the children can also play on the roads. That was my main concern.
Living in a place which is surrounded, I would be secure. My kids could play without any disturbance from the outside world. It would be very safe. Security-wise, it would be the best. That is why I want to be here, and it is the place to be.
We are currently introducing only 51 luxurious villas. This property, this location, this lifestyle is not going to be seen ever again in this country.
The kind of project the Belleville Park is, and being a limited period offer, anybody who can afford, this is the right time.
The most trusted asset class in the world for investing is real estate. It's now time and an opportunity for individual investors like you to be part of that growth. All you have to do is invest. Investing here takes a load off your shoulders. We stand committed to be with you for the lifespan of this project, making sure your property gives you the best-in-class investment returns.